Yo, Cliff P mentioned something about making packs, so I decided to make this real quick video about making packs. I don't know a ton about this software, but I know that it's what you need to make packs and modify packs and whatnot from the base station. So I got my base station hooked up. I'm gonna click Manage Base Station, and here are all they disappeared, but those were the Novation packs, which, quite honestly, they kind of suck. So, also, here's the funky leads and bass. Here's another pack that I had experimented with. This is a pack that I experimented with, and this is a pack that I created really earlier today, but it's kind of sparking this video. So, anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click Create Bank, and you see that there's nothing in this bank. It's all empty, right? Now, I can send this to the base station. I'm not going to do that. But if I click on one of these guys, right, that the little icon there, it will open up whatever pack that is. So it's kind of trial and error, but so I'll click New Bank, Create a Bank, and I'll delete this later. So I'll just give it a bank name. I'll call this Demo Bank, and then I'll save it as Demo Bank. I'll ignore my phone. So there's that empty bank right there. And if I click on expand on any one of these other banks, right, I'll see the sounds that are in that bank. So let me go to the Daryl Freeman bank. Where is it? Here it is. So we'll expand that. Matter of fact, you're going to learn with me right quick. If I click the expand button again, it'll collapse them. All right, so we'll collapse all those. All right, so there's the Novation banks, which kind of suck. Sorry, Novation, they do. So I'll open my demo bank, and then from the Sirius, this is the Daryl Freeman bank. What I did was the sounds that I knew. Actually, let me start from the funky leads and bass, because this one honestly had more stuff that I liked. If I take the Moog bass, I'll take the 24 karat magic bass that I really liked. I'm going to take that PYT bass. Again, sounds that I'm most likely to use, right? And can also be a good starting point for, if I want to modify them to make them into something else. Let me collapse that, and I'll go to Daryl Freeman's bank, which is dope. It's just got a lot of stuff in there. So I know that there were basses that I just really liked. I'm going to take his Moog bass. Oh, you know what? No, you know what? I combined them already. Oops. That's why I see that in there twice. That's why I did that, because I had already combined them. So don't trip. Let's say I take, that bass and a 1 and a 2. I'll take those two. And again, from the last video that I posted, I'm trying to keep it to where I only have like 4 sounds to start with. So I'm not wasting a lot of time trying to figure out sounds. Boom. So I'll save that. Let me collapse that. So now here are all of my sort of custom banks. And if I want to send this to the base station, I'm not going to do it, but if I wanted to send it, actually I can because it would, I've already got this one set up, right? So it's easy to replace. So I'll just click send that to base station, let it do its fizzle, faux shizzle, and there it is. So now there's my Moog bass, 24 karat, PYT, Anabass 2, and Anabass 1. Let's say I want to switch these guys around. I can drag and drop them like that. Just go on and save. Analog basses. Go on and save those. And then there they are in the base station. Anyway, go on and hit that subscribe button. You want to. Catch you in the next one. Peace.